ready? Good boy. He's sticking it all the way in.
See, I came over here, now I can't see the other side.
Oh, okay.
I can only
Sorry.
see him over here.
All right, here, ready? Good boy. Okay. Good, whoa, good boy.
So it looks like he's pushing. Is he
Yeah,
pushing
he
his
is
face
pushing,
in? That's good. Want that.
Yeah, he knocked it out of my, good boy. All right,
Excellent.
up. All right, good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. All right, down. Whoops, come on, let's try again. Mommy's not holding it right. Hold on. All right, now. Good boy. Okay, come here. Ready? Up. Good boy. Yes, you're so good. Yes, okay.
So wonderful.
All right, down. Nancy can't see you over here. Good boy. And it's easier with my right hand. I could turn.
Oh,
I didn't
that's a
think
good
about
idea.
that.
I could move again if my
No, I
camera
could
was
just
not out
turn,
of, yeah,
yeah.
that's good.
Okay. Good boy. Don't do it. Okay, come on. Up. Good boy. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and then once you get it on, give him several treats and then just take it off because we don't really need it on right now. We're just
Okay.
practicing.
Come here, Rick. Fine.